All right, it's game time. Oh, is GameStop doing anything? GameStop's doing something. At 35, not too bad. AMDT or AMTD, we'll be watching that. We'll be watching AMDT. Let me get some more light in here. But right now I'm paper trading. I don't got much money to actually trade, so I'm paper trading right now. Just practicing, just keeping the practice going. Wow, AMTD is just a monster. This thing is nuts. I'm watching AMTD. Already at fucking almost 13. Pre-market high, 1440. We'll see what it does. See, AMTD doesn't have a nice NBBO. I don't know why. But I guess it's whatever. There's a little bounce on AMTD from its shoot down. I didn't take it yet. I'm waiting. I want to see what it does. I'm going to wait just a little bit longer. There it comes down. Going even lower there. I'm going to try and grab one there at 960. Wonder if I got filled. Yep, I got filled. 962, I got filled. Looks like it's halted down. Bro, remember I was texting the chat AMTD?
Bro, she's been fucking moving pre-market.
157 yesterday close, and after hours and pre-market it's up to 1440. That's what I'm trading.
This morning.
I was trading this morning. That's what got me my
Okay.
up 8K this morning. Yeah, I was trading at 5 a.m. I'm still trading it. I brought her out again. Look, I brought it out again. The tablet. Bolted down. AMTD. But we're gonna wait. I'm already in at 962. So we might get a little bounce. And see something happen. And if it doesn't, fuck it. What's GME doing? I know GME was moving. Yes, sir. At that 35. I might need to double my position in the paper trade. That's why I don't have any cash. It's because I bought all my GME. So I'm paper trading. We're doing the challenge, 100K to 1 mil in 1 month. Can you believe that? I gotta high risk it. If I blow the account, see ya. But you know what? It's worth it. Still waiting on the halt to open up on Amtd. Still waiting.
Alright.
Colin? Where you been?
Slept in a little bit.
You gotta go to work?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Nah, he's trading.
He's got a trade.
Yeah, he's trading.
Let's see where I'm at.
Let's see where you at.
End of the day. Under.
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm still under.
Don't you worry about it. Colin's playing smart. He's not going all in like me.
I'm scared.
I'm like fucking risk tolerant at this point. Still waiting on the halt to open up. You waiting on the halt
I was
too?
watching it all morning. I was like, I don't know what to do.
I know. I've just been scalping it. I was in this morning at 6:40. And now it's at 4. It was at 14:40 the highs. I fell asleep trusting it and I got filled at 6.99.
Sir.
That's how I made that wall. I had to trust it. I was like, it's moving. You know, the train ain't just gonna reverse right now. There's gonna be some good indication that it's reversing. So I was like, I might as well get in. You know, it's hard to stop. You know, it's hard to stop the train. We're still waiting on the halt to reverse right now. Let me reload my Weeble, make sure it's not fucking up. Yeah, it's alright. There's other shit moving too. What's GME doing? Still 35. It halted. AMTD halted right down to the moving average that I got set up. Which one is it again? Let me see. Oh, hold on. It's my 160 prior candles moving average. When it opens up here, depending on how it goes, I might take the scalp. I'm running in at 960. Here we go. Waiting for anything above 960. There's 980. I'm gonna take that. What I get? Did it fill me? Come on. Please tell me. Yes, I got filled. What a scalp. Yeah, I had to be fast on that one. That shit fucking rejected all the way already. So it's going to the next moving average here. I don't know if it keeps going down. I might short it, as if it's gonna continue.
Holy shit, she's getting dumped.
She's
Look
dumping.
at that.
That's what I'm saying. But she's at the next one. That'd be another scalp for me. But I'm waiting. Oh, she is way extended from the 10 right now. Way extended. Good pop up. You got resistance at 870. It's at 830 right now. I'm buying a quickie. Can I get in quick? Come on. Let's see. I bought the ask. What am I filled at? 857 I got filled. Let's go for 870 again. Look at that. Look at that pop up. There's 858. Give me 870. There's 876. I'm taking it. Come on. I should have got filled because of 890. Come on. Did I get? I got filled. What is up? It's still extended from the 10 though. There's still room to go, but I'm weary because the 10 could catch up. It doesn't, just because it's extended doesn't mean it'll go all the way back up to the 10. But it, there's a possibility it could shoot up. But the 10 could catch up. The 10 could come all the way back down to where it's at right now. So I'm watching it. It's ranging between 790 and 950. That's the range. But this is a sympathy to HKD. HKD went from $35 to $900 within 2 days, or I don't remember it. Is it moving right now? It's not moving. AMTD is the sympathy. There it goes. AMTD's come back up to the 10. If it rejects over here, I might grab another position, but yeah, it didn't do it. Fuck it. Yeah, I don't understand. My MBBO, the MBBO on it is not right. If you look at other stocks have the the national best bid and offer. It's got all the orders from all the market. It shows it. But AMTD's one is messed up. That's how you know something's going on with it. It's got to be major squeeze in or something. Major squeeze alert. GameStop's still slowly moving up. It's trending off the 10 and the 20, so that's good. Let's see what the daily's looking like again on it. If we break 40, I'm telling you, we break 40, there's a very good chance we can go to $60. And that's money in the bank. That's dinner on the table. But let's go back to AMTD. Let's not play around here. Let's not be talking about GameStop. We got real money to make right now. Alright. We're watching AMTD. I'm weary though. I'm weary. All the averages are at the top. What's our high? The 80's up there. The 80's at $11. The 320 is lower though, and it's been trending off the 320. It hasn't broke the 320 from the entire move from $1. So if it breaks the 320, it's absolutely done. But all the averages are up there. We're below all the other averages. So technically it should go higher. It should go to like $10 again, technically. But I want to see, it's I'm weary right now. I already stole from it. So I'm weary. I got gains. I don't want to be, I want to see she's got good behavior or what she's got, because I'm not adding right now. I'm high stakes micro scalping. That's what I'm doing. Oh, there's the move up. Back to the 10. Let's see if it hits the 20. And if it holds around here, I'm going to get in because all the averages are all hanging out there. Look at it moving up to the 10. Look at it at $10. So let it hold here. Let it, let it consolidate around this area. I might take another trade. Because, it bounced off that 320 pretty good now. So I'm happy with that. The 40's even higher. The 40's at 11. So technically, it might want to go to that. It might want to go to $11, maybe $10.50, something like that. I'm just scared. I got the money. I don't want to give it back now. Oh, here we go. That's a nice overextension from the 10 again. I might want it. If it can come down to, oh, it's coming down to 320 though. Let me see. I'm gonna let it go a little bit lower. I'm gonna take it at 8 just because. Look at that bounce. Did I get filled? Come on. Did I get filled? Yes, I got filled at $8. Let's go. We're at 858. I'm just gonna fucking take that. That's good money. Uh-oh. I need 858 again. It's at 850. I need 858. Come on. Yes. That was a quality trade right there. Oh, that was a big money maker right there. The reason why I'm not, if it was a really good trade, I'd buy it now and I'd hold it all the way to $11. But since it's holding towards the lower 320 average, I'm more or less inclined to not do that. I almost wanted it to sharply fall and shoot up and then hold like the $9 area, $9.50. I want it to hold higher up there, but it broke down from it and touched the 320 again. So now I'm tired of it. Now I'm saying that's bad behavior. But we'll see. I don't know if it goes up to $10 again and touches the 20, I'm happy. So you see, I'm bipolar. There it goes. Touch the 20. I want it to hold from like $9 to $10. If it can hold from there, I'll be happy. I might take another scalp, but right now I'm just playing the overextensions to the downside. That's all I'm playing because, I'm not taking anything long right now just because it's so overextended and because it's hitting the 320. I'm not taking anything that's really long right now. I want to see it absolutely trend back up, and then I'll go long for sure. I'll take it. I might go for a dollar move or more than 50 cents. But right now it's just complete overextended bounces. Because if you look at the volume right now from the open, the highest volume is sellers. And that's scary. Everybody that wasn't able to trade pre-market or didn't want to saw that it was moving so high and they said, let me take that. That's what they said. They said, let me take that. Or everyone that wanted an overnight swing, they got a hell of a fucking deal. Can you believe that? Let's look at the overnight swing from that. They bought it before the market closed at $1. They must be up 1,000%. Who is not taking 1,000%? Those that are looking for 2,000%. Let me tell you what. So I don't know. It could still be going. Everyone's saying, people shorted GameStop at $40. People shorted GameStop at $60. It's hard to stop a train. That's why I don't want to short it yet. I'm waiting. You have to wait for shit like this. You have to see absolute confirmation. Otherwise, you will get fucked in the behind. It's doing what I want now for the bounce, but it's got to do it for 5 to 10 minutes, 20 minutes. It's got to do it for longer than. It's got to do it for a minute. It's got to do it for a little while. Otherwise, it's still not going to be worth it. It's still trending down. Otherwise, in my eyes. And there's more buyers on the sellers. More buyers than sellers. On the level 2 right now, the highest volume is buyers. There's more buyers than sellers. So I'm waiting because we had all that high volume, I'm waiting to see what it does if we start seeing some volume like that on the upside, some green volume, I might reconsider. Because the opening volume, look, the opening volume was still less than 3 minutes. Like the 3 minute after open volume was the highest volume, and it was all sellers. That's scary. What I would have liked to see is a sell-off as soon as it opened, have some red volume, and then see buyers come in. Highest volume is buyers. That would tell me that we're still trending up, and that's one confirmation. Usually I'm about 3 confirmations to take the trend, you know. But right now, I don't know. And now the order book's changed. Now there's more sellers than buyers. What are you doing, Johnny? Are you watching this shit?
Yeah, don't you worry.
We're in this 100K to 1 mil challenge. He said, don't you fucking be peeking on my computer. He said, I'm making money. Don't you believe it? Holy shit. So let's see. I really want that 10 to break the 20 coming up and go up to the 40. Johnny's like, would you shut up? You're influencing my trading. You're influencing it. Don't forget you can short too, John. And on paper trend you can short. You just hit sell, and you have no position. If you have no position and you hit sell, you will make money as it goes down. Then you just gotta buy.
Okay.
So remember, if you want to instantly get out as well, or if you want to instantly get in, remember the 2 that you were talking about. It's opposite now.
Yeah.
So you sell the bid to instantly get in, and you buy the ask. So I'm waiting, because it's holding the 320. Let's look at the history, okay? Let's look to see what it's done at the 320. Rejected pre-market at 594, close to the 320, and that's when it shot up. Okay, let's keep going down. What did it do at the 320? It crossed the 320 intraday yesterday. It crossed the 320. So we only have one rejection off the 320. We only have one. And this would make 2 if it actually rejects, and it's not just holding it. Right now it's holding the 320, which I don't like. I don't like that. And I guarantee you, if it bounces off it again, I don't want to take that trade. There's a good chance it could break. And if it breaks and then it rejects up towards it, I want to see it holds the 320. If it holds the 320, can't break to the upside, I'm going to short it. That's the plan. But I got to do this all within 5 minutes, because I got to leave in 5 minutes. But it's okay. I'm up a good deal right now. We spent the time. We did the scalp. I got him scared. That's guaranteed. Now I'm working on these little small engines in the back. I spent about 15 minutes. Then I gotta go do some body work. We'll see. We'll see if this bounce here. What is this bounce? Because that's a triple bottom. I wasn't gonna take it. We'll see. That's a high volume candle right there. We just need to cross the 20. If it crosses the 20, come on. I'm looking for very high volume candles right now to indicate that we have bounced and it's in a trend. If it hasn't done that, I don't want this triple bottom. Keep it moving. Don't you slow down now. You watching? Yeah, you watching it. Yeah. Don't you slow down. It's looking like it's crossing, but I'm still scared. Some dude said in the Discord, Jesus, where do those tickers come from? Why do they blow up? I don't know. Could be liquidation with all this China news. Shorts could be getting absolutely. Oh, look at that, look at that. No more typing, no more typing. Look at that. It broke the 20. That's the second time it broke the 20. So if it holds above the 20 now, I'm happy. But if it doesn't, you know, we've already broke the 20. So now if it holds above the 20 and it has high volume, oh, it's game time. We're trending, baby. Look at it, not holding. Sad. That's bad behavior. Let me continue typing now. It made me sad. Absolutely. Absolutely. Shorts could be getting absolutely hammered. Could be the time to watch other high shorted plays. Ticker symbol GME.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He's holding now. Look at that. Yeah, see, we got many different stocks right now that are up 100%. And this one is up 400%. So that's telling me we're in squeeze territory. I mean, look, Uber is up. I don't usually see Uber moving, but Uber is up pre-market. What's the news? Let me see the news. Sell-off of stake, revenue benefit, earnings. Okay, so I guess you know that there's some reason there. Look at that balance. We got high volume now on AMTD. We're back to AMTD. We're not scared. Look at the MACD. What's it doing? Curling up?
Oh, she's crossed and moving.
She's moving. Johnny said, I'm already in.
And then
He said, I'm in with size.
half the portfolio.
You can hear his knee shaking. That's how you know he's in. I'm waiting. Not convinced yet. Johnny's he's a good man. I'm still a bit scared though. I'm still a bit scared. I need some money on it. Need to see more high volume. We only had one high volume candle. I want to see that continue. Oh, I just got an alert. Who's that? AEMD. What the fuck is that? I don't give a damn. Losi is going to Taiwan. And that's why I don't trade with Nancy. Let's see what she's doing. She broke the 20. 10 is holding up the 20 right now. Yeah, let us shoot down. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna look for a dip play right here. If I can get something coming down. Shoot down about $9, and that's me. Come on. People are buying the ass still. I don't know why. I'm about to take it. Come on. Like 910. A little bit lower, please. There's 909. Come on, let me grab it, please. Oh, I think I'll get fiddled. Yes, I'm in at 905. Let's see. Let's see. Bounce it up. Bounce it up. Way overextended. I like that. Give me 920. I want 920 or 930, something like that. Come on then. 920 to 930. And don't you. See, it's way over. That was a big candle right there. 920 to 930. Don't you. That's the plan. $906. Come on, keep it moving. Oh, no bad behavior. $880. Come on, there we go. 920 to 930. You gotta talk to her, you know. Oh. 913. Not where I want. Wrong way. 920 to 930. Come on. Wrong way. You want more money? Well, I actually got it all in there, so you got all my money, shawty. You better act right before you run off on me. Give me 920, 930. Fuck it, 940 will be nice too. 950, I'm buying the ass mentally. Give me it. 920 to 930. Come on. Come on. Don't you. Don't you. I need that 920 to 930. 920 to 930. Big buyer 850. I think it just came in, that's why it's spiking, but let's see. 850, sorry. Did I say 850? I think so. 920, 930. And don't you. That's the plan. 920 to 930, and don't you. That's the plan. There's 9. Got my finger right on the trigger. As soon as I see that ask go to 920, it's over. 10 is at 917, but it's overextended. I think it's going to shoot above the 10. That's why I took the trade. $920 to $930. And don't you. Gotta reinforce it.
Ready?
You gotta reinforce it. What you talking about?
It is 9:06.
Oh!
Wait.
I am late. 9:20 to 9:30. I'm on a time crunch. Come on, then. Don't you. You think I'm scared? Huh? I think it thinks I'm scared.
She's done.
It doesn't know. It doesn't know I'm not scared. It doesn't know my risk tolerance. It doesn't know. Give me 9:20 to 9:30. And don't you. That's the plan. Back to the 320. Oh.
What I just said.
9:20 to 9:30, John, and don't you.
What the fuck did I just say?
9:20 to 9:30.
I said she's done.
I said 9:20 to 9:30.
Made my 3%.
I made my
I'm out.
enough. I'm looking for 9:20 to 9:30. And don't you. Look at that. She's too overextended. Come on. I'm gambling. Look at that. 850. My port? It's at 110.
Is it?
Yeah.
Pull her up. Why don't you?
And I'm down. I'm down 10 grand right now. Because I haven't sold yet. I'm looking for 9:20 to 9:30, and don't you.
Don't you. Zoo Groove.
I've seen that. Yeah, what's she doing? 9:20 to 9:30. You can't shake me out of my trade. Come on. I'm the only guy that turns scalps into swings. Come on. See what the order book's looking like. That'd be alright. It definitely broke below the 320 though. $9.20. Come on. How long have I been in this trade? I think I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Holy shit. I shouldn't even taken it. It was time to go by the time I fucking took it. But fuck it. We're going to 9:20 to 9:30. And don't you. That's the plan. Highest sell order is $20. I'm looking for every damn indication that it's going up right now. Because I'm down so much. But fuck it. I got the plan. 9:20, 9:30.
All games wins the race.
That's what they think.
Oh.
That's what they think.
Okay.
It ain't nothing. It ain't nothing. Johnny's trying to scare me.
I'm good.
But he's gonna have the sign on his door saying scared. He's trying to scare me. I don't get scared. That's why I ain't sold. 920 to 930, and don't you. I ain't even at physical therapy today.
Oh. Where he's going for
920. I'm going for that power washer. I'm gonna go get her running, and then I'm going to the doors.
oh.
I might as well put my sell order right now. 940 is my sell order. Create new order. Sell 940. Sell 100% all my shit. Sell it. Hell yeah. Look at that. 13K I'm down. It's nothing. It's volatile. That's what I call that. Fuck it. Oh. 920 to 930. And what was that? You said what? Don't you. That's right.
Yeah, don't you.
Ooh, we got a lot of sellers right now.
Told you, she's fucking done.
I'll leave my stop loss below 764. Johnny can say whatever he wants. Johnny can say whatever she wants. Look at that. 920 to 930. I already told you, don't you? Need to see it. Need to see it. 920 to 930. 827, huge sell. If we break 827, we should see 850. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Broke it. See ya.
See ya.
Say 34, 835, 840, 845. Let's go. 920 to 930. I got my sell at 940 in case it fucks me and breaks my plan of and gets me more rich. We're at 840 right now. I need 920 to 930 though. Should probably go to 860 though. Unless she's got real good behavior. She's got to. I gave her my money. See, 850. Huge seller 850 now. Break 850. You have to be talking to her. It's like rubbing the casino machine, you know. You gotta rub on her.
Yeah.
$920 to $930. And don't chew. Yeah, don't chew. Just swallow that shit. Let's see. Gotta break 850. Oh. You gots to break 850. So this is good. I mean, I'm holding just because, you know, I don't give a fuck. But really, I should have gotten out. But I'm just gonna hold it. I think she's gonna have a nice pop up. That's why I'll get my fill. But the probability of that is probably like 60%. So I'm not, you know, I'm not. It's not the best trade, but it will work. It's not the best though. It is what I think. The 80s at 970. It will be alright. $920 to $930, and don't you? Well, I trust it. I trust the play. So that being said, I'm out. I don't need to sit here and watch it. I'll see ya. 920 to 930. And just remember.